Alright. The topic of today's video is reading Aeon essays or Guardian articles from this online material won't help you improve your RCs. Yeah, I said it. It won't. It's a commonly known myth. People think it's reality, but it's a myth. It won't help you improve your RC or reading comprehension skills. Tell you why. When you are reading an article or something, a book, a novel, anything, you are reading it from a leisure perspective for fun. You are reading, not reading it for to get the information out of it. You are reading for fun, right? Not for the facts or the crux, to get the main idea of it, why the author wrote this. You don't think that in that way while reading it. You are reading it for the fun, right? For the fun of it. But while you are solving an RC, you are reading to extract information from it. Why the author wrote that, what the question setter might ask me, and for that the best thing is to solve RCs. Nothing, no other things will help you. Other things might help you gain knowledge in those topics, and it might interest you. But also one more tip is like the articles and the things which you read right now might interest you. It might be inclined to you, so you might read it with more interest. But the RCs are very boring. They're very boring. So it it will hamper your preparations in that way. So the best thing to practice RC, improve RCs, by reading RCs and solving RCs, and not by reading novels. And one more thing is that when you're reading it for leisure, you don't time yourself, and solving RCs in a time efficient manner is very important. In CAT, there are only 40 minutes for you to solve the whole VAR and RC section. So timing yourself and doing the particular RC in particular amount of time with time pressure is very necessary. And what better than practicing it? I guess practicing the RC in a time restricted manner is very good for CAT perspective, and yeah, that should be your go-to. I'm not telling you don't read novels. You can read novels to build a habit of reading. If you don't have a habit of reading at all, then you can start by reading novels, but eventually you have to start with RCs. Yes, people say to read RCs because to build a habit for yourself. So once your habit is done, you can switch back to RCs and start with RCs.